Welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to convert a sentence into its equivalent mobile numeric keypad sequence. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a sentence in the form of a string, convert it into its equivalent mobile numeric keypad sequence. For input Geeks for Geeks, output will be um, 43333557777, so on. For obtaining a number, we need to press a number corresponding to that character for a number of times equal to the position of that character. For example, for character C, we need to press 2 3 times and accordingly. Note that input we will give to our function is the input string and an array of size 26 which stores the sequence of numbers pressed corresponding to each alphabet. Follow the steps given below to convert a sentence into its equivalent mobile numeric keypad sequence. For each character, store the sequence which should be obtained at its respective position in an array. That is, for Z, store 9999, for Y, store 999, for K, store 55, and so on. For each character, subtract the ASCII value of A and obtain the position in the array pointed by that character and add the sequence stored in that array to a string. If the character is a space, print 0. Finally, print the overall sequence. Now let's have a look at the implementation. First, we initialize output as an empty string. Define n as length of the input string. If the character is a space, add 0 to the output. Else, calculate the index of each character by subtracting the character by a. Now, add the sequence stored in that array index to output. Finally, return the string output. The time complexity of this solution is order n as there is a single loop in it. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.